Thank you, Eric. I'm Nancy Antwine, principal at Bridgewater Elementary School in Northfield, Minnesota, and past president of MESPA. I'm pleased to recognize this year's National Blue Ribbon Schools. The National Blue Ribbon Schools Award, presented by the United States Department of Education, honors public and private elementary, middle, and high schools where students perform at very high levels or where significant improvements are being made in students' level of achievement. In 2020, the following 8 Minnesota schools were recognized as National Blue Ribbon Schools: Kathy Kaiser, Centennial Elementary School, Centennial Public School District; Laura K. Loshik, Gray Cloud Elementary School, South Washington County School District; Chad Ryburn, Highland Elementary School, Rosemont, Apple Valley, Eagan School District; Richard Bartz, Houston Elementary School, Houston Public School District; Scott Johnson, Jefferson Elementary School, Mankato Public School District; Liam Dawson, Northside Elementary School, St. James Public Schools; Carrie Johnson, Richmond Elementary School, Rocori Public School District; Ross Williams, Sunset Hill Elementary School, Wayzata Public School District. Congratulations to these principals and their schools for their great achievements. We look forward to another year of growth and outstanding achievements from you, our MESPA members.